Hello, everyone. This is your daily dose of economy. U.S. national debt surpasses $35 trillion for the first time in history. U.S. home prices hit record high of $426,900. Gold funds have seen the biggest two-week inflow since March 2022. Nasdaq closes below the 50-day moving average for the first time since May. Japanese stocks enter technical correction after suffering largest decline since June 2021. Markets are repricing the probability of a Bank of Japan hike as soon as this week. Chinese stocks are experiencing second big drawback this year. China's 10-year bond yield falls to an all-time low. Two-year U.S. Treasury yield drops to 4.36%, its lowest level since February 2nd. Small-cap stocks, IMW, are on track to outperform the S&P 500 in July by the biggest margin in 24 years. Mega-cap tech stocks hit most oversold level since October 2017. Housing is now the most unaffordable since the mid-1980s, per National Association of Realtors and LPL Financial. Wheat falls to lowest price since August 2020. Global Central Bank update: Russia hiked rates by 200 basis points to 18% and promised further tightening. Hedge funds are now the least bullish on gasoline in more than 4 years. If you invested $10,000 in Ford exactly 25 years ago, you'd have $8,014 today, dividends included. Even a seemingly minor difference in fees can make or break your portfolio over long time periods. How funny! Microsoft and Alphabet are now exactly on par since the launch of ChatGPT at the end of November 2022. As U.S. unemployment rate has risen from a low of 3.4% in 2023 to 4.1% today, the Somme rule sounds a recession alarm. Two-thirds of Germans are dissatisfied with Chancellor Olaf Scholz's performance. Container freight rates on the Shanghai-Europe route have rallied recently as world trade growth slightly improves and due to supply constraints. 70% fewer ships are traveling through the Suez Canal. Brent crude oil is back below $80 per barrel this morning. Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index fell in July as new orders and shipments deteriorated quite sharply. At the same time, employment rose to its highest level since September 2023. New cycle low for average employee workweek component in Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index as of July. S&P 500 equity risk premium is 2.52%, which is the lowest in more than 20 years. The Russell 2000 normally trades at a slight premium to the S&P 500 on a PE basis. Right now, Russell 2000's PE is just 0.73x of the S&P 500. The small caps rally is only getting started. Looks like Spotify took a page out of the Mark Zuckerberg's Year of Efficiency playbook. Disney is now trading at its lowest forward multiple in 5 years. McDonald's has seen quite decline in comparable store sales over the last 4 quarters. Current PE ratio is 21.5x. Netflix has 13,000 total employees. That's $2.6 million in revenue per employee, more than any big tech company, and twice Netflix's closest competitor. That's it for today. I hope it was useful. I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.